All right, we are here in Hyatt's kitchen and we're having the salad with white chicken, white meat breast salad galore. And we're putting on just a little tad of yogurt on the top, surrounding the cucumbers. And this is one of those homemade yogurts. Homemade.
Jesus. May God forgive me.
Look at this. Look at this. Wow, my goodness. Look at this. This is so yummy.
So you don't always have to use
Yeah.
the what is it?
You don't always have to use the salad dressing. You can just dress it up with yogurt, and yogurt is made of milk and lots of calcium in their milk, and then you have the different fruits in there. Okay, so again, you can order this for $19.95, coming to you the next day, or if you're in Regina, we will deliver it to you immediately within about 45 minutes from your phone call. Please comment and make the email in your phone number. We'll contact you. Sure. And as you place your order, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. And this is from our chef, our very own chef at Hyatt's Kitchen. Wow. Wow.